Hi, excuse me. Can you help me?
Of course. How can I help you today?
I'm looking for a new handbag. What's the price of this one?
That handbag is $80.
It's a bit expensive. Do you have any discounts or promotions right now?
Yes. We're currently offering a 20% discount on selected items, including some handbags. Let me show you.
That's great. Oh, I really like this one. What's the price after the discount?
This handbag is originally $100, but with a 20% discount, it's $80.
Oh, nice. It's the same price as the first one I looked at. Do you think there's a chance for an additional discount?
Unfortunately, the 20% is the best discount we can offer right now. But if you sign up for a loyalty program, you can earn points toward future purchases.
That sounds interesting. I'll think about it. By the way, what's your return policy?
You can return or exchange any unused item within 30 days of purchase. Just make sure you have the receipt.
Okay, that's good to know. What if I lose the receipt?
If you lose the receipt, we can only offer store credit based on the current price of the item.
Got it. And for online purchases, can I return them in the store?
Yes, you can return online purchases in store, as long as you bring the order confirmation or receipt.
Perfect. Thanks for explaining everything.
No problem. Do you want to try out the handbag to see how it feels?
Sure, I'll try it on.
It looks great on you.
Thanks. I think I'll take it.
Great choice. Would you like to pay by cash, card, or mobile payment?
I'll pay by card.
Perfect. I'll ring it up for you. And don't forget to sign up for the loyalty program if you're interested.
I will. Thank you so much for your help, Sophia.
You're welcome, Emma. Enjoy your new handbag.
Thanks. Have a great day.
You too.